Basal metabolic rate and weight loss. Can you really use BMR for weight loss? Basal metabolic rate is defined as the amount of calories your body needs to function normally and healthy every day. The organs such as the heart, the lungs, as well as the process of digestion all take energy, meaning they need calories to function properly. It's stated that the average amount of calories needed by females is lesser than the males. The average amount of calories that a female body will burn is approximately 1,700 to 1,900 calories per day. This pertains to how much calories your body burns while at rest. On the other hand, a male will generally burn 22 to 2,400 calories. But there are other factors involved here besides gender, including age and size of your body, among many others. What you should focus more on is understanding what basal metabolic rate really is. For example, if a female is eating close to 2,000 calories, you would need 3,500 calories to either gain a pound of fat or lose a pound of fat. Let's say a female has a basal metabolic rate of 2,000. If you're exercising and burning more calories, that will go towards that 2,000. If you exercise for 30 minutes, 10 calories a minute average, that's 300 more calories over the course of 2.5 hours. You burn 2.5 hours times at 300. That's like 3,750 calories. You will burn calories just by exercising for 30 minutes. If you add that to your basal metabolic rate and you start going against the amount of calories you're taking in through food, you may have a deficit of 500 calories. Do it for 7 days. That's 7 times 500 calories. 3,500 calories in 1 week. You'll lose a pound of fat. If you take an excessive amount of 3,500 calories, you gain a pound of fat. If you want to lose more body fat, we'd like to introduce you to a product that can turn your metabolism on whenever you want. It's called CarboFix, and it will allow your body to burn more calories and fat while doing nothing. The all-natural ingredients in CarboFix will help you fight against belly fat, stubborn weight gain, and intense food cravings. You can find details about this amazing product in the link we have provided in the description. If you aren't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so now for more relevant video content, and ring the notification bell as well for updates on our future uploads. See you on the next video.